here is the basics of how to VBA macros, Visual Basic for Applications macros for Excel workbooks. We will not go over any actual code because you can check those from Stack Overflow. First, let's create some kind of table with some data, which we will then check with the macro we are going to make. And then we need to save it as a macro book. Then we record a macro, select the name and press OK. Then stop recording, then open macros again, select the macro and edit. You will open this editor where you can create your macro. I will just paste something I already did. And then we can insert a button. And then select the macro and OK. Then when you press the button, it will run the script. And if you right-click the button, you can then move it. And here we go through over how the script is made. It starts here and ends here. At the start, we initialize some variables. Then we get some values. Do something with the values. And here we call another function. And then in the other function, we do more stuff. And so on and so on. And then the script is done.